Alright guys, let's see how we can install hot model replacement inside of Angular. It's quite easy, and this feature actually allows us to use the Webpack development server. It will handle all the updates in our JavaScript that we are having, and they'll happen super fast because actually not the whole JavaScript that we'll be using will be updated, but only specific modules where we're making our changes. So this will dramatically speed up our work. So let's see how we can do this with Angular. First off, we can update our Angular with ng update, Angular CLI, and Angular core. We will launch Visual Studio Code, and basically we need to place the following resolutions information inside of package.json. So just find an empty line outside of our dev dependencies, let's say, when we'll just paste the resolutions. The other stuff is to run our code with ng serve --HMR, and this will enable Webpack to use the hot model replacement, and we'll use the in-memory Angular server. So we can see that the hot model replacement is enabled for the dev server. So we need to wait a little bit, and when ready we can browse our project. And now for this project, let's say that we would like to change something in the code. So I'll go and change very little in one of the components, some of the code. Let's say in those skills I would like to remove part of them. So I'll delete them, and just notice just saving, and how fast is the refresh of the JavaScript bundle. So when we go again in the website, you can see the changes are being made ultra fast. And those are the tips on how you can install and use the hot model replacement in your Angular project. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed the content, you can subscribe to the channel.